This is a shoulder press. You're gonna grab weights and you're gonna hold your weights up towards shoulder height, and then you're going to exhale as you press all the way up to the ceiling, and then inhale as you come down. Now, as you come down, you don't need to drop your elbows all the way down to your waist. You wanna drop your elbows about to shoulder height, and then exhale as you press up. Good. Exhale, inhale. Engaging the core the entire time throughout the exercise. So you're working the shoulders, relaxing down. Exhale, inhale. Now you can also do this exercise while you're sitting down. So you can sit on a bench. I'm just gonna turn to the side so you can see. Engaging the core the entire time, and you're going to exhale as you press up, inhale as you lower. Exhale, inhale. Good. The shoulders are relaxed. You're not bringing the shoulders up towards the ears. Exhale as you press up, inhale on the way down. And that is your shoulder press.